19 shade. Oh my gosh, ang ganda naman itong shade na to. Color that I've used on Belle during the Benison Ball. This one. Bakit lang? Hi guys, it's Jake Galvez. So today we are gonna do a lipstick swatch party! Yeah! So we are gonna feature a brand that I just discovered, Y.O.U Beauty! So guys, if you wanna know my thoughts about it, keep on watching. So we're swatching lip colors! Yes! So I'm so excited to swatch these lip colors kasi I saw online that they have really amazing, lightweight, transfer-proof lip color that I can use on my client. I can use also on myself. I can use it every day. Anywhere, pwede nyo itong gamitin. So Y.O.U Beauty has 19 shades. So let's try it. Tingnan natin kung totoo nga ang hype about it. So just so you know, Y.O.U Beauty is available in Malaysia, Indonesia, there's also in Thailand, and all over the world. So now it's now in the Philippines. So let's unbox it. So this is Y.O.U Beauty's Rouge Velvet Matte Lip Cream. So it has a smooth and lightweight formula. So it's quick drying, it's non-transfer, and it promises to have this hydrating formula. So we all love that. So the box says it has vitamin E, coconut oil for that healthy lips every day. So we all love that. Grabe. What's nice also, it has an expiration date on the side. Kasi di ba usually most lip colors, wala yung expiration. So you don't know kung, uy, pwede pa ba tong lip color na to gamitin? I have it here. Okay, so let's see the packaging. Oh my gosh! So, yes. So it has a really nice applicator. It's easy for you to apply the color. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda naman itong shade na to. This is in number 8 Cocoa. It smells and it tastes so good. Oh my gosh! Bagay sa akin tong lip color na to. Okay, so I can taste the cocoa butter extract. And it has that kind of strawberry fruit extract as well. Grabe naman. Nakakainin ko lang siya. Every day. Okay, so let's start swatching them one by one. Na-excite na ako dito. Let's start with number 1, Chic. Okay, so this is number 1 in Chic. So let's swatch it here. Oh my gosh, we're gonna swatch 19 colors. So liitan lang natin. Okay, so this is number 1. There. Oh, it's in a nude color or tone. Let's apply it on the lips. Oh, amazing! Grabe, sobrang lightweight niya. And it's so easy to apply. It will also have a soft matte finish. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda, guys! Oh my gosh! Okay, this is a perfect everyday lip color. Number 1 in Chic. Guys, number 1 pa lang ako. Pero sobrang na-amaze ako sa ganda ng formula. At saka ng colors. Okay, whole day tayo magkakasama guys. 19 shades ang isa-swatch natin. Okay, so this is number 2 in Naked. So I can see that it's still in the nude shade or category. So swatch ko siya. Oh my god. Ang ganda guys. Sobrang nice siya. Oh my gosh! Okay, perfect din siya for everyday. If you actually like medyo on the nude pinkish side ng color, this is perfect for you. Oh my gosh! It actually looks like my lips. Wow! Still on the nude side, but perfect color. Okay, so next is number 3 in Charming. So I can see that it's on the pink side color. So let's watch it. Whoa, pink na talaga siya, guys. It's so nice. Oh! Hard that sweet girl. You know guys, applying this is so easy. It has an hydrating formula, and when you apply it, grabe, it blends well with your lips. See, it's so easy and it dries quickly. So this shade actually perfect though. I think this is very similar with the lip color that I've used on Belle during the Benison Ball. This one. This falls in the pink category. So if you like pink lip color, this is perfect for you. Okay, this product also promises that it's transfer proof. So let's check it. This has been on my lips for a minute, so we're gonna try to kiss the back of my hand. Oh my gosh! Wala siyang transfer! Ang galing! Isa pa. Oh my gosh! Let's try naman with the tissue. Oh my gosh, wala nga siyang transfer. Ang galing. I was expecting may onting transfer, but zero. Zilch. As in, so, isa pa. Wala. Oh my gosh. So, perfect talaga to, guys, if you want long wearing whole day. I'm not sure how many hours, but I think this would last for at least 12 hours. I can feel it. Okay, next color, this is number 4 in Sassy. So, this one also, nasa pink side din siya. Nasa pink color category siya. So, let's watch number 4, Sassy. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya, guys. It's in Barbie pink shade. Sobrang nice. Let's try the color. Oh, this is almost like Barbie pink. Almost. Ooh, it's so nice. Instant lip brightening. What's nice about this also, it has vitamin C, which is actually perfect for moisturizing your lips. Barbie yan. You want Barbie pink? Number 4 in Sassy. Okay, next color, number 6 in Cali. So I can see this one. This color is in the red category. Actually, gusto ko yung mga ganitong colors. Kasi malapit siya sa lip color ko. Oh, wow! Oh my gosh! It looks like my lip! Wow! Okay, it's in the red shade, but it actually still looks natural. Oh my gosh, ang ganda! Mukhang healthy yung lips ko, guys. It's super nice on the face. We forgot to swatch it. I'm gonna swatch it here at the back of my hand. Oh, so nice! Oh my gosh! Look at that, guys. We started on the nude side, pinkish, and now this one is on the red side. Oh, I want them all. Next color, number 7 in Cali. Oh, that's a nice name. Let's watch it first. So I can see it's in the red side, the color, in the red color family. Oh, medyo nasa bright red siya na category. And let's try applying it on the lips. Oh, this one is actually bright. I like it. I actually thought na kapag bright red, hindi ko siya mabubusan. But look, just my face. Wow. That's just my face. Lahat bagay. Actually, alam mo pag ganitong like bright na red, I actually just put it on the center of my lips para mukha lang siyang stained lips. Parang natural lips mo lang siya. Wow! And then, I'm just putting excess lang on lips. Look, oh, ang nice. It looks natural lang. Okay, next color, number 8 in Cocoa. So, as you guys can see, nasa red tone din siya. Let's watch it. Oh, this one has a deeper red color. Ang ganda nito, ha? Let's try it on my lips. Oh, ang nice. Oh, para siyang lip stain. Ang ganda. Oh, I think this is the one that I tried initially kanina ng first time, no? Ang ganda, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like butter on your lips.
Smooth like butter.
I think this is my favorite color. Okay, next, it's number 9 in Latte. So, as you guys can see, it's on the chocolate brown tone. Let's swatch it. Oh, I love this color. Oh my gosh. Chocolate tone. Perfect if you want that 90s lip color. Oh, ang ganda din. Okay, grabe guys. This is already my 8th or 9th application on my lips. My lips still hydrated and I don't see any cracked lips. And I think it's because of the vitamin E and vitamin A that is in this lip color. Amazing. Actually, yung applicator niya perfect also if you want to create defined lines on your lips. Galing! Okay, next color is number 10 in Peach. So, sa mga peach lovers dyan, I think this is your color. So, as you guys can see, nasa peach color category siya. Let's watch it. Oh, actually, this is perfect peach shade. So, if you want just that subtle, coral-ish, peachy color, this is your shade. Let's try it on my lip. Oh, wow. Instant lip brightening. Look at that. Grabe, there's really magic in peach-colored lips. Kasi, yun nyo, oh, it matches my shirt color and matches my face. Hindi, pero alam niyo guys, if you like wearing like strong smoky eye makeup, peach color is perfect for you. And ang mga may favorite ng peach colored lips among my muses is si Cali. Okay, next color, 11. This is in Valentine. Let's swatch it. So as you guys can see, it's in the pink category. Oh, the pink that can actually morenas can wear. It has a pink sandy undertone, so perfect for morenas who wants to wear pink lip color. Ay, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. So, usual clients that would wear this color is Kim Chu. Yan. Ito ang mga colors niya. This is the usual color that I use on her kapag natural looking makeup. Ang ganda nito ha. Matches my face also. Okay, next color is number 12 in Salmon. Oh my gosh! So, ito talaga, I can see that this is on the peach side or on the peach category. Let's swatch it. Oh, ay, ang ganda ng color, guys. Okay, I'm so excited to try it on my lips. Oh, actually kind of resembles my lip color. Wow! Whoa, instant lip brightening also. May magic talaga ang ano, no? Peach shades. I really love this formula. Grabe. Before, takot ako sa mga matte lip color. But actually, after using this, parang wow. This is so easy to apply. And the effect on the lips is so natural. Hindi siya mukhang lipstick or lip color talaga. It looks and matches. It blends well with your lips. Look at that. Okay, next color is number 13 in Raspberry. So, obvious naman, it's on the pink category. Let's watch it. Oh, wow. Ayan siya, guys. Ang ganda! Let's try it on my lips. Ay, true to its name, raspberry. It tastes like raspberry. And the color looks like raspberry. Pink tones for pink lovers. Oh my gosh, my clients who loves this kind of color is, of course, YouTube superstar Donalyn Bartolome. Favorite niya mga ganitong shades kasi bagay din sa color niya. Oh my gosh, sobrang nice. This is a perfect lip color if you want that extra oomph on your face. Wow! Okay. Next shade is number 16 in Havana. Oh my gosh! Bagay siya sa outfit ko. Okay, so as you guys can see, Havana in 16 is on the purple category. So let's watch it. Purple lovers or plum undertone lovers. This is your shade. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda din niya. Oh my gosh! Bakit lang? Okay, so let's try it on. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is actually probably my second best favorite. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda niya. Para siyang merong lip stain effect. Ang ganda din ng ng mga purple shades. Kasi if you want to have that kind of like bitten stained lips, this is perfect. Yun lang siya, guys. You don't have to put it everything. Pero syempre, it depends on you, diba? Ako, for me, that's nice na. That's ganda. Oh my gosh. Next shade, oh my gosh, number 18 in Honey. Ito naman, it's on the red category. Let's watch it. Ooh, juicy. Look at that. Okay, let's try it on my lips. Oh, wow. Ang ganda nito. Ang color na to. Wow. Bright red on the lips. Look how easy it is to put lipstick using with this applicator. This is so much easier than a tube lipstick. Nice! Oh my gosh, may lakad, besh. Wow! Ang ganda na tong lip color na to. Saan ang lakad, besh? Okay, next color is number 17 Inlay. Sorry, ito pala dapat nyo na, but it's okay. Let's watch it. So as you guys can see, it's on the red category. And oh, para siyang lighter shade nung kanina, the one that I tried. Almost the same shade. But hindi siya, this one, the one I tried earlier is much darker and this one is much lighter. Let's try it. Oh, this is so nice. Again, it looks like my lips. Okay, let's define it. Oh my gosh, look at that. It has a really nice wearable red shade. Look at that. Guys, I have been swatching the entire day. And then, look, my lip still feels. It looks hydrated, feels hydrated. Thank you. Next color is number 19 in Delicate. So as you guys can see, it's on the nude category. Let's watch it. Oh, wow. Wow, it's so nice. Okay, tingnan natin kung pang ilang favorite ko siya. Okay, let's try it. Oh my gosh. Kanina may second na akong favorite. This is like my third favorite na. Oh my gosh. Meron siya actually meron siyang orange undertone. So perfect siya if you have dark lips and you want to brighten it. Perfect siya. Oh, it brightens your lips instantly. Yung mga ganitong nude lip color actually is preferred by my muse, Sassy Pressman. So if you want to look like Sassy, you should get this. Next color is number 20 in Adorable. Wow! So if you want to be adorable. So as you guys can see, this one falls in the pink category. Let's swatch it. And oh, again, this is a pink that the morenas can wear. So it has a natural pinkish undertone. Ay, ang ganda kasi nasa warm undertone siya na pink. Again, this one will be used by, this is perfect for my client, Kim Chu. She likes this kind of shades. Ooh, so nice. Next shade is 21 in Fearless. So, kanina Adorable. Ito naman Fearless. So, sino mga Fearless dyan? Yes! Actually, itong lip color na to falls in the pink category. Let's watch it. Oh, ang ganda niya, guys. It has a nice pink tone. Oh. If you want to be fearless, this should be your color. Actually, this color is perfect for my muse, Belle Mariano, who's fearless during, of course, the His Into Her series. Actually, bagay ito sa kanya, no? Woohoo! And last but not least is number 22 in Harmony. Oh my gosh, as you guys can see, this one is on the nude shade or category. Let's watch it. Oh, ang ganda na to. Oh my gosh, look at that. Very perfect for online school lang. Every day. Let's try it on my lips. Oh, wow. Nude peachy lip color. Ganda. Perfect for everyday lip color. And that's it, guys. Grabe, I enjoyed my first ever lipstick swatch party. As you guys can see, ayan po yung all 19 shades at the back of my hand. And right now, I'm wearing my favorite number 8 in Cocoa. I super enjoyed swatching this new Rouge Velvet Matte Lip Cream. So if you guys are looking for a lip color that is lightweight and smooth in formula, quick drying and non-transfer, hydrating formula, as you guys can see, look at my lips, it's still hydrated even after what? 19 times that I've tried all the shades. And of course, if you want variation, if you want to try all 19 shades, go ahead, visit their store in Lazada or in Shopee, or follow them on Instagram, Y.O.U Beauty_PH. So the link of their store is posted on the description. Don't forget to check them out.